Improve your communication skills. It's great to have you back here with me. I'm so excited to share this video with you. Thank you for your support, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Welcome to Improve Your Communication Skills, your guide to becoming a better communicator. Here, I bring you 5 secret steps of becoming a good communicator. Let's go. Step 1. Understand the basics. The first step to improving your communication skills is to understand the basics. Start by considering the context of the conversation, the tone you are using, and the body language you are displaying. All of these elements play a role in how your message is delivered and received. Step 2. Listen carefully. The next step to improving your communication skills is to listen carefully. Listening actively allows you to fully understand what the other person is saying and respond accordingly. When you listen, try to put yourself in the other person's shoes and be patient with their response. Step 3. Ask questions. The third step to improving your communication skills is to ask questions. Asking questions allows you to gain better insight into the topic and understand the other person's perspective. When asking questions, be sure to use open-ended questions that allow for a discussion. Step 4. Be clear and concise. The fourth step to improving your communication skills is to be clear and concise. Speak in a concise and straightforward manner and avoid using too many words. By being clear and precise, you can avoid misunderstandings and ensure your message is heard. Step 5. Practice. The final step to improving your communication skills is to practice. Take time to practice communicating with others and work on developing your own style of communication. That concludes Improve Your Communication Skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. With the right mindset and effort, you can become a better communicator. I hope you find this video very helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more inspirational and problem-solving videos, and hope to see you again. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.